If you want to grow in your digital marketing career, you need more than just technical skills. You need a mindset of curiosity, consistency, and continuous evolution. Digital marketing isn't a static field. It's an ever-changing ecosystem where strategies that worked last year might be outdated today. It's not just about running ads or writing blogs. It's about truly understanding people, behavior, data, platforms, and how they all work together to drive results. Whether you're a beginner looking for direction or a working professional aiming to level up, this script will guide you step by step to succeed in today's digital-first world. Start with the fundamentals. Learn how search engines work, how content ranks, and how ads are served to users. Master the basics of SEO, SEM, social media marketing, email marketing, content creation, analytics, and automation. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the building blocks of any successful marketer. Choose one area to specialize in, but gain a working knowledge of all the others so you can understand the full digital customer journey. Next, put theory into practice. Don't wait for the perfect job to start learning. Create your own opportunities. Start a blog, launch a YouTube channel, or manage a small Instagram page around a passion topic. These hands-on experiences will teach you about content planning, engagement, analytics, and branding, all key to marketing. Start running mock campaigns using Google Ads or Meta Ads. Use free tools like Canva, Buffer, MailChimp, Ubersuggest, and Google Analytics to build your skills without needing a big budget. As you gain confidence, document everything. Build a portfolio that includes screenshots, campaign performance, content samples, and a clear explanation of what you did, why you did it, and what results you achieved. Employers and clients don't just want to see what you know, they want to see how you've applied it. Case studies speak louder than certificates. Speaking of certificates, they help too. Enroll in free and paid courses from platforms like Google Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, Meta Blueprint, Skillshop, SEMrush Academy, and SkillCareer.in. Certifications build credibility, especially when you're just starting out. But remember, a certificate is only a key. How you use it determines how far you go. One of the biggest differentiators in digital marketing is soft skills. Communication, storytelling, presentation, and empathy are vital. You'll often be explaining technical strategies to non-technical stakeholders. You'll need to sell ideas, present data clearly, and create messaging that resonates. The best marketers don't just create content, they create connection. Another secret to growth is understanding the business side of marketing. Learn about pricing strategies, customer acquisition costs, CAC, lifetime value, LTV, conversion rate optimization, CRO, sales funnels, and how marketing drives revenue. These concepts turn you from an executor into a strategist, someone who not only builds campaigns but builds businesses. Want to stand out? Build a personal brand. Post content on LinkedIn or Twitter, sharing what you're learning, what worked, what failed, and what inspired you. People notice consistency. Your digital footprint becomes your resume. Recruiters search for marketers online. Let them find you demonstrating value, not just describing it. Networking is massively underrated. Join marketing communities on Slack, Discord, Reddit, LinkedIn, and Telegram. Attend virtual summits, webinars, and workshops. Follow marketing leaders like Neil Patel, Rand Fishkin, Ann Handley, Seth Godin, and more. When you engage with communities, you learn faster, get exposed to new tools, and often land opportunities through referrals rather than resumes. As your career grows, decide your direction. Do you want to stay hands-on or lead a team? Do you enjoy performance marketing or branding? Are you analytical or creative? There are many paths: SEO specialist, paid media expert, email marketer, content strategist, growth hacker, brand manager, marketing analyst, and more. Find what excites you and lean in. Stay up to date. The platforms change. Today, it's TikTok. Tomorrow, it might be something new. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Jasper, and others are changing how we ideate and create. Learn to leverage them. Use automation for repetitive tasks so you can focus on strategy. Use data to drive insights, but never forget the human at the other end of the screen. Track your progress. Set career goals every 3 to 6 months. Ask yourself, what new skill did I learn? What result did I help drive? What did I fail at and learn from? Keep a personal growth log. This reflection habit helps you measure growth and build self-awareness. If you want to switch from a job to freelancing or consulting, build a personal website, start with 1 or 2 clients, and grow through word of mouth, cold outreach, and niche content. Offer value upfront, like free audits, consultations, or tips, to build trust. Over-deliver, especially at the start. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn to find work. Learn how to price your services based on results, not just hours. As you scale, learn about project management, budgeting, team leadership, and client communication. Read books like Made to Stick, Contagious, Building a Story Brand, and This is Marketing. Each one will teach you something that tactics alone can't. The goal isn't just to be a better marketer, but a better thinker, storyteller, and problem solver. Your digital marketing career will have phases: learner, practitioner, strategist, leader, and mentor. At each stage, your responsibilities and mindset evolve. Embrace the learning curve. Celebrate the small wins. Be patient with the plateaus. Burnout is real, so manage your energy, not just your tasks. Choose quality over quantity. Focus over frenzy. And finally, be generous. Share what you learn. Help someone just starting out. Teach a friend, host a live session, write a blog post. The more you give, the more you grow, because teaching sharpens your understanding and expands your influence. In the end, digital marketing is about people, understanding them, reaching them, engaging them, and serving them better than anyone else. It's not about hacks, it's about humans. It's not just clicks, it's connections. If you commit to the craft, stay curious, take action, and never stop learning, you won't just grow in your digital marketing career, you'll thrive.